How to contact support in Waymo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. There are different contact support for Waymo. Get help while in the car. We can simply click on the support button and it will lead you to the support option while you're in the car. Get help using the app. You can do this for immediate assistance. Tap the help tab in the Waymo app. Select get help, then call. Through the app, you can chat, good for simple questions or comments, and email better for non-urgent questions or comments. You should hear back from them within 24 hours as well. And you can search in any website their number as well if you don't find them as well. And if you scroll down at the bottom, and you can click on contact us form and contact them through form as well. This is how to contact support in Waymo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.